Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Esther and today I will guide you through a nice and gentle mobility flow routine to help you wind down for the holidays. We're going to start in standing and you don't need any equipment, just follow along. So stand with your 2 feet parallel to each other and lengthen your whole body up towards the ceiling. Nice and tall position, relaxing your shoulders backwards and downwards. Gently nod your chin towards your neck, lengthen the back of your neck, and also tilt your pelvis underneath, engaging your core all around your waistline. Then hold that nice tall position, raise your heels and lower them down. Raise up and then down a couple of times, keeping your core engaged. Nice and long position. Hold that heels up position, then drop your right heel down, bend your left knee, push yourself back up and change. Up and lower, up and lower one, up and lower the other. Let's add your arm movement to this. Opposite arm and leg reaching forward. Knee and your arm kind of swinging forward on the opposite side. Imagine like walking or marching type of movements. Lengthen your arms, increase the range, reaching a little bit further, up and down. Engage your core, keep your elongated position and balance. We're going to have 1, 2, 3 more and hold with your left knee in a bend position, right arm up, and then fold down into a mini squat position. Push yourself back up and repeat 1, 2, 3 times. Lower down, reach and lengthen with your arms. Lean forward with your back. Lean. Reach and lower, lean and lengthen. Change, change, change and lower. Change, change, change and lower. A few more. And then the last one. Hold it there. Right knee in a bend position again. And then close your palms in front of your chest. Meet the palms in front of the chest. And then reach and lengthen, push yourself back up and change 3 times as we did before. Lower, meet the palms, reach and lengthen, push yourself back up and change, 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 lower and twist. Reach and then change, 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 lower and twist. And again, towards the right. And towards the left. One more time, each side. Reaching and lengthening. And the last one towards the left. A little twist. Open up. Reach, reach and hold. Raising both heels up, both arms reaching up. And then relax your heels, release your arms down. Relax the shoulders backwards and downwards. And then gently nod your chin down towards your chest. Run your shoulders, upper, mid-back, hold. Reach towards your knees, not lower than that, just halfway. And then roll your back towards the right side and build up your spine again into tall in the middle. And again, roll forward, only halfway, and then towards the left, building up your spine into tall again. A few more of that. Creating a nice little mobility for your upper back. Imagine drawing number 8 with your back and chest. So we're going to roll halfway forward, the middle, and then open up towards the left and towards the right. One more. Towards the left. Building up your spine. Roll down again, halfway. Hold it there. Bend both knees and hips. Gently open up your chest towards the front, pressing both palms in front of your thigh. And then curl forward. Show you from the side. Open up, nice and long spine. Curl and running your back, engaging your core. Opening up, pressing your palms, engaging your core. Make sure not overarching your lower back. So keep the length of your lumbar spine. And then curl underneath. Few more of that. Opening up. And then curl. Push yourself back up. Relax your shoulders down. Then roll again down. Palms are pressing into your thigh, closing your elbows, opening your chest, as you just did before, and then curl. Push yourself back up into tall. One more of that. Round. Open up towards the front, closing the elbows, widening the collarbones. Brilliant. And then curl back up into standing. We're going to have one more of that. Roll forward, opening up, nice and smiling collarbones. Hold that position, engage your core. So try to draw the lower ribs down towards your hips and then reach your right arm up towards the ceiling and then underneath your left forearm. Opening up, inhale and exhale, reaching across in front of your chest towards the left, opening up towards the right. One more time towards the left, open up towards the right, and then relax down, roll back up, reach and lengthen your arms, and then relax down. And again, not your chin, round your shoulders, mid-back, and then your lower back reaching down towards your shin, towards your ankles as far as you're comfortable with. Take a deep inhalation and as you exhale, engage your core and roll back up. Build up your spine into tall. Lengthen your arms and relax down. One more. Hold for a deep inhalation. Roll back up. Reach and lengthen. And then the last one. Deep inhalation, long exhalation, reaching all the way up. Relax your hands down in front of your thigh, bend your knees and your hips. Hold that mini squat position. Open up your left arm towards the side, reach underneath, threading the needle behind your forearm, then open up. And a nice little stretch, twisting towards the right, open up towards the left. Keeping your feet, your thighs parallel to each other. Gonna have one more. Nice opening up and then relaxing down, rolling all the way back up into tall, reaching and lengthening. And then relaxing, nodding your chin again, bend forward, reach down towards your knees, towards your ankles, hold that position, take a deep inhalation and long exhalation, roll back up. You can carry on with this type of rolling down if you're happy with that. If you feel that you would like to stretch a little bit further, then bend forward. Relax your arms and then extend your right knee. Simply bend your left one and then pull the right elbow up towards the ceiling. If you're happy, you can extend your arm, relax down and roll all the way back up into tall standing position. Reach and lengthen. Relax down and repeat it on the other side. Bending forward. Reaching as far as you're comfortable with, but if you feel that your back is stiff, try not to force that rotation. But if you feel comfortable, you can open up towards the left. Down again. Roll back up into tall. And repeat one more each side. If you're happy with that rotation, if not, just practice that bending forward. Reach and release. Roll back up, engage and use your core. And we're going to have one more. Roll down with the exhalation and open up towards the left as you inhale. Relax down and roll back up into tall. Elongating your whole body nice and long. Then pop your hands behind your head. Open up the elbows. Take a deep inhalation. Release. Reach and lower. Repeat one more. Shrugging your shoulders towards your ears and then melting them away. Reach all the way up and relax down. And the last one, relax, shoulders away, elbows nice and widely open, and release, reach and lengthen, and relax all the way down. Brilliant. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. Please let us know how you felt after and what was your favorite. Thank you so much and enjoy the festivities. Bye.